And you can apply this to your neck, to your face. And just really lather it in for a good few minutes. It's your preference, but I like to make sure that I'm working the product into my skin. So I like to give it at least 3 to 5 minutes at the most. Now I haven't put any product on my face, so I am experiencing a little tingle here and a little tingle around the eye area. So, you know, just be careful with those spots. Definitely don't get the product in your eyes. And then you just rinse off and pat and dry. Alright? But I'm gonna go one more round. Yes. So I just pretty much wet my face to get worked up, try to work up a good lather. Can't wait to see the outcome. It's my first time using this. Let me mix it up. Alright, we're going to pat and dry. Kind of smells like a light shampoo. Feels good. Feels like it's really nice and clean. I can't wait to check it out. Ooh. Well, I really love the results. Let's see what it says now that I have. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. It's almost squeaky clean. Can you hear that? Alright, so the powerful of 5 skin benefits in 1. And that is cleanses 5 surfaces layers deep with a luxurious cream to lather. I'm still feeling a little tingling. Cleanses 5 surface layers deep with a luxurious cream to lather. Purifies to remove makeup. I've been looking for a makeup cleaner, so oh wow. So okay. And dirt, oil, and impurities. So it does remove makeup, dirt, oil, and impurities. And my skin feels dry, like no oil. So yeah, leave skin feeling hydrated for soft and smooth skin. And my skin does feel smooth. And you can just see. You see that? Do you see it? Because I see it. Renew skin to reveal a healthy, radiant glow. Girl, glow. I am. Smooth skin texture and reduces the appearance of pores. So I don't really suffer from pores, but good to know for you guys that have pore issues. So the direction says wash face and neck thoroughly twice a day, morning and night. For best results, use the Olay Super Serum and Super Cream. Olay 5-in-1 Super Facial Cleanser, Cream to Lather, improves skin, look and feel with every wash. So definitely avoid direct contact with your eyes and rinse well with water. Contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, collagen peptide, vitamin C, and vitamin E. All the nutrients you need, and this is good for normal, combination, and dry skin. And my skin feels so clean. Now I will say, if you have dry skin, you need to reach for, you know, your moisturizer, your lotion, because I do feel that it does make your skin dry. Yeah, I'm feeling a little dry, which I don't have a problem with. You know, I'd rather that, you know, and then once I go in with my other skin regimen, definitely will take care of that. So this is the Olay 5-in-1 Super Facial Cleanser. Yes. And I'm so happy about this that I'll be able to use this to take off my makeup. So yes, that's a bonus. So it is a 5-in-1. So Get your cleanser. You get your makeup remover. It removes dirt, oil, and impurities. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at.